Hey guys, so I'm here finally in front of a camera trying to explain my family's problem. Like, oh my god, guys, walai, I had to wear this wig. Look, it's 5 a.m. I haven't slept, like, because I can't. I had to put on this wig and like just make this video. Okay, let's get straight into the video. My family is actually in turmoil. It's crazy. It's crazy, but we will definitely come out of it. So what gave me the courage to make this video? It's just seeing how my family is fighting. Like, everyone is fighting for me. My brothers, my mom, my sisters, hey, everybody is fighting. And to think my brother just started, what's that thing, a petition. And guys, in less than how many hours, there are a lot of people, like a lot of people signed up. Like, how? Why? But yes, then that means it means war. That's what this video means. This video shouldn't even exist in the first place because I'm too big for it, type shit. Okay, I'm gonna fight for my children, Ned. I tried to be calm. I tried to let go, walai, but I'll fight for them. I'll take them. I'll train them. I'll raise them with or without your support. And you know that, my love. Ex-husband. Walai, this feels like I'm acting. But guys, this is me. This is me. If I haven't slept by 5, tell me why everyone else is sleeping. Why is everyone else moving on? Like why is everyone moving on? Excuse me. Like, I'm not going to cry you. They don't used to do that in front of camera. Okay, this is funny. I like this video. This means I'm tough and I'm not crying. But wait, guys, the main essence of this video actually is to please stop insulting my mom. Be cool. Hey, stop it. Stop. Hey, be cool. Please. Look, for some reason, I actually do feel like I owe you all this explanation. You know why? Because I don't know why everyone is pained about my life. But I don't feel like you all are pained from a bad side. You're pained because you used your, was it 200 naira or 500 naira to buy my CD just to watch my movie as a child, and you all watched me. Or like, fine, and it's okay. I'm in the limelight, so it's fine. You all have a say, so it's okay. And that's why I'm explaining. So please stop insulting my mom. She's the best thing that ever happened to me. She's my God on earth. Lie. She's strong. For 7 fucking, will kids watch this video? For 7 years, my mom held it down. She tried. You all insulted her. Like, she tried. She tried. It's me. I'm the one with easy coconut head. It's me. I'm so ashamed to say I fell in love. Type shit. But I actually really did. And it's crazy. But I did. Everyone said no. My mom. Come on now. And you all stop saying I got married out of greed. Excuse me. No. We were not broke. Does that make sense? And secondly, how do you guys think, like, what amount of money can a man give to a mother to get her child that is practically providing everything in the house? That is practically, through this child, she trained all her children. Like, through this child, like, what else? That child was our only source of livelihood. I was a blessing, a gift to my mom. God used me to settle her. And it's my job to make sure she's forever happy. Because she has suffered for us. And you were insulting her. Anyway, stop. Stop insulting my mother. Wallahi, she's the best woman on earth. She is. She is. She warned me. My brothers warned me. Everybody warned me. Nobody's going to cry on this camera. Everybody warned me. And then I drove out at night. I was going to kill myself if I don't marry Ned. Everyone was looking for me. My brothers were fighting, breaking bottles. Like, guys, the Nigerian police in Asaba video cut. As I was saying, everyone knew. I went to the police station and said, arrest me. My family does not want me to marry the love of my life. But I actually did fall in love. It's crazy, but I did. And I still care and respect him. That's love. What is love? Care and respect. And the only reason I am not fighting you, Ned, it's because I really want Mon and Khalifa's father's name to be strong, but they can answer mine. They can. You have enough kids to answer your name type shit. Guys, I'm done with this video. I just hope I look cute. Everyone, just stop insulting my mother. I'm tired.